Welcome back to Lisa and Company. Today I wanted to do something cute and simple and just for the fun of it, and also so that I could rib my teenager for a few minutes. Here we go. Hopefully she keeps it here most of the time, but she is 15 and very good at it, so I feel like we might have to hit this one once in a while. So originally the idea was to use this snow globe sign from Dollar Tree. I bought a second one so that when I flipped it over, I would have that dimensional feeling on both sides. However, I could not think what to do with that big snow globe part. It just wasn't coming together in my mind. And that ribbon for the bottom, when I took it off badly and sanded the heck out of it to get that glitter off, it was still too much texture and I didn't think my letters would stick. So on to plan B. I'm using one of my leftover fall signs because I love the way it's sitting. Now, in order to get that glitter off, I did pretty much sand the paper off. So I'm going to give this a few coats of paint to make sure we can cover everything up. I have never used this brand of paint before. I picked it up at Michael's just because I needed some red for some holiday DIYing. But you want to bet I am heading back to get some more. It is thick and wonderful and so easy to use. I did use my trusty hairdryer so I could flip this over and paint the white right away. And you want to bet I'm going to bust out that hairdryer and do it again for this side. I've got my laptop there and I'm multitasking using my Cricut Design Space so I can get all the lettering done for this at the same time. So it's pretty much put on a coat of paint, get it dry, put on a coat of paint, let that dry, do a little bit of work on the Cricut, and I am so going to get this sign done before she gets home from work. Today was not the best Cricut day. My Cricut and I were fighting. I had tried some new vinyl and we're just going to leave it at that. It didn't cut, it didn't weed. I didn't show you that side. You only got to see the good one. And if you'll notice, part of that is missing from this one. Because I didn't put the vinyl on straight, I lost part of the top word. Easy fix, but seriously. I'm rounding this out with some red and white twine I picked up at Walmart, and then some red and white gingham ribbon that I also grabbed there, and I'm going to get this hung up on her door. I want to surprise her. Just a couple of bunny ears, bows. I tried to slow it down as much as I could, but I had filmed it in a high speed. Sorry. Time to take down her fall sign and replace it with something a little more seasonal. Tell me in the comments below, do you have a teenager that loves Christmas? My kids call it OCD, Obsessive Christmas Disorder. I love making things for them and I love surprising them with little things like this. Thanks for stopping by Lisa and Company today. I hope you enjoyed this short and relatively simple video, and we'll see you next time.